Okay, now let's talk about the modal verb might. It might be your lucky day because might doesn't have that many functions. In fact, it has only one function to express possibility. That's right, just like can, just like could, just like may. For example, I think that prices for houses might start falling again. Meaning, I think it's quite possible that the prices for houses will start falling again. Another example, he likes art. I think he might have a whole collection of famous masterpieces. Meaning, I think it's possible that he has a whole collection of famous masterpieces, probably, because he is very rich and because he loves art. One more example. They might sell more of their products this year as they have hired a new marketing director. They might sell more of their product translates to, it's possible, that they will sell more of their products. That's it for now. See you in the next episode. Stay tuned.